100% human cuticle correct Remy tape hair. Anrosa tape in hair made with highest quality human hair. Remy hair, minimum shedding, no tangles. The natural hair can be straightened, curled, cut and styled as your own hair. Length and thickness. Get install length 14-22 and thickness with Anrosa 100% human Remy tape hair. The Remy hair is super healthy, soft and silky with nicely natural look and match, can be blend best with your natural hair. Invisible hair extensions. The tape-in extensions is invisible and seamless, Salf glue, harmless to scalp, easy to apply, available to combine with clips and double tapes. Lifespan. Tape human hair extensions can be used 6 to 12 months depends on care. Reusable hair usually can be reused 3 to 4 times or more with replacement tape. Quality standard. Anrosa Group offer the best hair product and service to our clients. All of Anrosa hair workers have been trained for years ensure the products stay on top grade quality standard. Anrosa is dedicated to supplying variety and highest quality hair extensions. Hair extensions are all 100% Remy human hair. Natural texture, no smell, takes curls good, invisible and seamless, just feels like your natural hair. Installation without any tools and easy to remove. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. This hair is so amazing. The quality is so soft and it feels like real human hair, which I think it is. The seller was very nice and had great communication when I had questions about the hair. I'm going to try to tone these a little whiter to match my hair, but overall I'm very impressed by these extensions. They feel smooth and silky. They feel very lightweight, not heavy. I will be buying more. Thank you.